So itong mga extrajudicial killing. Saan ka nakakita dito magpunta yung, taga-Europe, ang mga bugok. Sabi ko na itong mga puti, bugok talaga. Maniwala ka. I have to, if there is one thing that really did utterly lacking in their goddamn gray matter between the ears, it's logic. Ayaw mapunta dito, these are the list of those killed by Duterte. And they take it, hook, line, and sinker. Ito ba? 10,000. Yeah, patayan. Wala namang death certificate, wala namang police report, tapos dalhin sa ila. Then they come here. You know, Mr. Mayor, drug problem is not a crime. It is an health issue. It is an issue of a social dimension. Ganun ba?